Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful scarf pattern. Make a slip knot. I use 3 mm hook and yarn in here. And chaining. Pull up yarn, make chains. Like this. I make 25 chains in here. I made 25 chains. In here, continue like this. Add 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Yarn over, skip these chains, go to this chain, make 1 double crochet. Go to next chain, make 1 double crochet. Go to next chain, 1 double crochet. Go to next chain, make 1 double crochet. I show we have chains and 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet in here. 1, 2, 3 chains, skip chains. 1, 2, 3. Go to next chain, yarn over, go to next chain, make double crochet. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, same as before stitches. Make 3 chains, skip 3 chains in here, and make double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make chains, skip 3 chains, go to next chain. Make double crochet. I show 4 double crochet in here, 4 double crochet, and skip 3 stitches. We have 2 double crochet stitches in last stitches. Change color, go to top of first chains, tie yarn, Continue from here. First top of first stitch. Turn the work. Pull up yarn, make chains. 6 chains in here. Yarn over, go to this space, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make chains, go to this space, make 1 more double crochet, make V stitch in this space. 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, go to this space, make 2 double crochet. 1 double crochet, chains, 2 double crochet, make V stitch, make chains, and V stitch. Make chains, 1 more double crochet, I show we have V stitches in this space. Fold it like this. Insert your hook into this yarn. Take this yarn on your hook, pull up yarn. Make chains, 4 chains in here. Continue from this space. Make double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet. Make 3 chains, go to next space, next into next V stitch in this space. Make 4 double crochet, three chains and continue. Make 4 double crochet, make chains, go to last stitch, make double crochet, go to first stitch, change color, pull up yarn, make chains, 6 chains, take these white stitches on your hook. I show yarn over, take this yarn, make V stitches, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet in white yarn, and continue same as before row. Make chains and V stitches. Make chains, go to this stitch, make double crochet, chains, double crochet, change color, take this yarn, pull up yarn, make chains, turn it, repeat these rows. Take this stitch, make double crochet, 4 double crochet stitches in here, make chains. I show this row and back up work. I show like this. You can use 2 faces of this work. Make chains, go to next stitch, and repeat same as before stitches. Make chains and 4 double crochet stitches. Go to last stitch, make 1 double crochet, change color, pull up yarn, and repeat same as before rows. Repeat these rows and make larger than this. You can use this pattern for make scarf and blanket.